Try different weapons.
I've got an idea.
Right. Hey, Dad. No. What are you doing? Right. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. I look like a fucking gangster. Yeah. Right.
And then I come up to one of your pussy friends and I'll beat their ass.
Beat your ass the whole night. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. That's me wearing a high-side slasher mask and some gay jumper. A railway rifle and beating your ass with it. Yeah.
Bring your pit boy up.
I'll beat your ass with a railway rifle.
Bring the pit boy up.
Hold on. I'm gonna run over.
You just do it, Jeffrey. You do that shit, Jeffrey.
I'm just gonna run over to this house over here.
So
I'm gonna say hi to the nice woman, and then I'm gonna beat her ass repeatedly with a railway rifle.
And by the way, she's a prostitute, so.
Yeah, it's even better.
Yeah.
Get a little older inside.
She deserves it, don't worry.
And then you walk in and you find out that you killed her like you did Dirty.
Yeah.
And you start smacking up her house with the railway rifle.
Bring that, that pit boy up. Yeah. Bring that. Just do it before I beat your ass with a butter knife.
Well, bone saw. Yeah, that's me beating people up with a whale. Oh, on
gangster.
On the side. Oh.
Bring that pit boy up. Yeah.
See, I'm wearing a gay costume, as gay people do. You know, no other awesome shit. Then I come along to see you. I got my ritual knife, my railway rifle, and then for some bullshit random reason, I gotta put some frag grenade attached.
You got explosives, knife and nails and guns, bitch ass.
I wanna know
gangster
whether you can put
shit.
that.
Oh yeah. No. Fire it. No, fire it. No, fire that shit. Fire it. That's weird. I have explosive round, right? Put the repellent stick on.
No.
Oh no. What you doing?